Established in 1975, Doctors Friend Medical Instrument Corporation Limited is the only professional production and marketing company in Taiwan that researches and develops, designs, manufactures and markets suction units and hospital equipment. Doctors Friend was created with the intention to enhance the quality of medical care and diligently safeguard patient health. All of the components and source materials, from the machine's outer shells to the interior pumps, are molded and produced in Taiwan according to the research and design of the company. We expected that medical equipment manufactured 100% in Taiwan can be used throughout all corners of the globe, benefiting all people and becoming doctors' most trustworthy and indispensable instruments. Technology R&D department is our key unit and responsible for development, research, design, and innovation of products. Periodical educational training enhance our products' inspection, control, manufacturing process, development and research, and after-sales service to meet the satisfaction of customers. As a professional medical equipment manufacturer, we follow the international standard CE certificate and ISO 13485 certificate from EU and GMP certificate from Taiwan. Besides, we have been awarded Taiwan SMEs Innovation Award and Taiwan Excellence 2020 locally. Suction machine is known as an aspirator, a type of medical device that is primarily used for removing obstructions like mucus, saliva, blood, or secretions from a person's airway. Suction machines are often used when the patient is experiencing liquid or semi-solid blockage in their pharynx, tracheas, or other oral cavities. However, the ideal suction device may depend on different conditions. Here are a few scenarios where patients or professionals may use a suction machine. The compact size for portable suction unit. It is installed with cooling fan, which is good for long time operating. The collection bottle is 2/3 hiding into the machine, which is visually neat as well as space-saving. The capsule-shaped floating control may fully prevent the overflow by any angles. The inlet holes of vacuum side and patient are marked by colors, which is the foolproof device. The dual-fuse device design may fully shut down the rapid electronic current, which can protect the pump from damage. The collection bottle is made by PC, which is reusable and autoclavable. The outer shell is made by ABS plastic, which is impact resistant and easy to clean. Doctor's Friend, as the name suggests, we are the best friend of doctors. Aiming on improving the quality of medical standard, the company keeps making progress on the efficacy of its instrument through R&D and innovation. Doctor's Friend is not only the best friend of doctors, but also the best partner of them.